Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Henry. If you are new to this YouTube channel, we talk about all things relating to making money online, dropshipping, businesses, and great ideas. And also entrepreneurship and living your best life as a student. So today's video is one that I know that a lot of you are going to love. How to make $100,000 as a student. These are proven ways. Yeah, you heard that right. Yeah, $100,000 on Naira. It sounds crazy, but with the right mindset and proven ways, it's possible. I'm going to break down 10 proven ways in which you can start making that money today.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
And earning big as a student, even if you're on tight budget and have limited time. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscription button, like, and tell us the time in where you are watching from, so we can guess the country you are watching from. And most importantly, so you don't miss any of my videos.
A new video just dropped. The whole group's talking about it.
On how to hustle smart and build wealth. Let's get started. Number one proven way is selling drinks at a show event. In most schools or higher institutions, they always organize party, outdoor events, social gathering. The best way you can tap into this is to meet the organizers. They mostly say, oh, there's queues available for sellers to advertise your goods. Let them know, oh, you want to bring your goods, you're into drinks and stuff like that. You can bring your drink, buy like alcohol drink if alcohol is allowed, open your pet drinks there. People will buy. You can make 50 to 100% profit. You can buy the drinks for 1,000 and sell it to 2,000. People must surely buy, whether it's night or day, drinks and water. People must surely buy. This is our number one proven way. And before you know it, less than how many months, you need $100,000 or 100,000 naira in less than a month. It's very easy. This is very easy, and it's something that is proven. Something that is proven and something that you can do and make lots of money in. The number two is selling tickets for big events. Yes, there's always organized shows, big shows, even it might not be big in your campus. Maybe it's in your campus and off campus, in the city. They sell shows, big events. All you have to do is meet the organizers, request for some tickets, tell them you want to sell it. They give you commission. If you can sell those big tables, sell the regular tickets for your classmates, your friends, the students in your campus, in less than how many sales, you're already making your very own $100,000. This is very easy. In this actually give you like profit of commission of 50 to 20%. Depends on how you negotiate with the organizers. You're making money for the organizers, you're still making money for yourself. So it's a good one for both parties. So what's stopping you? The third proven way on how to make your first $100,000 is to start renting Airbnb apartments. Yes, to rent an apartment is very easy. You don't really need to be there physically. You just need your smartphone. And you watching me, it simply means you already have access to a smartphone. All you have to do is get your smartphone, open an Instagram account, then go to Airbnb, download Airbnb app. You see a list of apartments in your city. Then just go there, call them, tell them, oh, you're into apartment, so I want to take videos of the apartment so you can share to your clients, and your clients so they can also come and book. Simple, say, okay, no problem. You can go meet them, see the apartment, do your own personal videos, post it on TikTok or Instagram, run your ads. If you can bring one customer for them, you can make it as well like $5,000 every day. If some clients come and stay for the whole month, some come and stay 2 months, some come and stay 3 months. So it's as simple as that. So it's quite easy. You can get up to 5 apartments. Some customers stay 6 months. This is one of the easiest way to make $100,000 in a month. So guys, what is stopping you from doing this and stacking your money? This really does to our fourth. First one is social media management and content creation. At the end of content creation, which simply means companies are even requesting and sending flyers for content creators. Both those one that sells phone, the local market shop, the big companies, they know that this is the trending stuff now. This is what drives the market. This is what moves the market. This is the market mover now. The content creators, the influencers. So you need someone that can handle the camera, do the phone, write the snaps, how to interact with the customer, with the targeted customer. They will pay a whole lot for that. To do this, you need to have created your own personal brand to a level, your followers, your own content, then write to companies, oh, I can make a better content for you. Before you know, you have sent 1 gig. Another company now refer to his friend, or if there's a small shop, if you want to for this guy, he's into photography, he's into video editing, he sells clothes, while me I sells phone, or he sells wristwatches, sells gold wristwatches. Before you know, you already have one of most 10 clients, and it's something you can easily do, manage your social media accounts, and so before you know, you're already catching your check. It's as easy as that, guys. Yes, it's very easy. This now leads us to our number 5, which is running paid ads for companies. Yes, running an ad is very easy. All you have to do is go to your YouTube to learn from different creators on how to run paid ads and get top SEOs. That is search engine optimization. How to run your Google ads, how to run Facebook ads, how to run Instagram ads, how to run the new TikTok trend ads. These are very easy and which can be easily be done. All you have to do is to learn it first. There's Udemy, there's YouTube, and there's even on this channel I'm going to do a video on how to run your Facebook and Instagram ad and then TikTok ad. How to just watch it, learn it. Then chat company say, oh, I saw your ad, or it doesn't really look too good. I can bring more sales for you. Instead of you can chat company say, oh, how much do you make? How much? Just chat with them. Okay, what if I can make more sales for you with ad? Simple. Some will give you a trial, and once you do that with a good write up, come on guys, they will be happy to pay you for it, and they will also refer more customers to you. All you have to do is just to do a good job. You have to just to learn it. You have to just learn it so you can come up and do a very good job for them. So what is stopping you guys? What is stopping you? Number 6 is learn a good skills. Learning a good skill start from video editing, design, like graphic design, content writing, voiceovers. These are skills you can easily learn. Once you learn it to an extent, you can use YouTube, you can use Udemy. Once you learn it, you can start applying for jobs on Fiverr, on LinkedIn, on so many other channels in which you can simply apply for jobs and get the gig. You have to just practice your skills, work on it, develop it, do some free jobs. Once you do a free job for 1 month and you did a very good job, the person will easily employ you the next month. Learn to give free jobs. It's not everything you pay. Yes, your skills deserve payment, but you have to do a free job. So it's also okay. Oh yes, it's good. This is what I'm missing. This is what I need in my company. This has relieved me so much stress. I can work with this guy. So you need to learn how to do that, guys. You need to really learn how to do it. Number 7 business idea on how to make your first $100,000 is to start reselling tech and gadgets like phones, computer. You can just buy it from your local shop, then ask for some money on and sell it on eBay. And if you're in Africa, you can simply go to a local shop that sells all these tech things, know the price, snap it, take videos, then create your own online store. Create your online store, snap the pictures, post it there. Before you know, you run ads, people know about you. Grow your contacts, grow your brand. This is your personal brand. This is 2025. This is 2024. You don't need to have a physical store to kill the market now. All you have to just do is just be ready to make content and grow your page. It's as easy as that, guys. Number 8 is start a YouTube channel. With YouTube channel, all you have to just go up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. There's a lot of crazy topics in which you can tap in. Your everyday vlogging, how to make this, a chef, how to cook this, how to cook that. If you're a footballer, just say, oh, this will be playing football. They just favorite video you. Before you know, you're a subscriber, just video what you love doing. Talk about the experience you have, talk about different things. Before you know, you have gotten your watch hour, you have gotten your views, you have gotten so many things, guys. So this is just one of the best ways you can make your $100,000 in a month. Within less than 6 months, you're getting your money. As easy as that. Number 9, this is basically a bit for the viewers in Africa or Nigeria. You can sell data on airtime. This is actually a business I gave my first 1 million naira here in Nigeria. I was about 5 years ago, 2020, when I started it. This business actually opened my life to open my eyes to other businesses where I sell mobile data and I sell over recharge airtime. Like when someone makes mistake and sell transferring money, and I bought airtime of 10,000. I buy it at a discount for 8,000, then make 2,000 profit. So I also sell that back that airtime to someone as data for 10,000. So guys, you see, I'm making a whole lot of money here. You have to just do is to start it, grow your base, grow your customer base, and watch yourself grow. Guys, this is very easy. This is very easy. And number 10, which is still paying me up to date, is start drop shipping. We actually have a full course on this channel on how to start drop shipping. And whether you're in Africa, in Nigeria, anywhere you are, this video apply to you. So starting drop shipping is very easy. It's very like just buy it from China and import it to Nigeria and sell it. Or you can still do the local drop shipping, which buy from GG and send it to your customer's house. Then once they pay you, you're good to go. This is very easy and it's a proven way. And I would seriously advise you to do the local drop shipping. That is buy in Nigeria and sell in Nigeria. No less stress. If the product is not good product, you leave it and go to another product. It's as easy as that. Thank you for watching up to this level. And because of that, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. This bonus tip, you should know that students are lazy to wash. So starting a laundry in your school area is very profitable. Yes, it's already very profitable. You don't really have to do it yourself. You can just do the management part while someone do the washing. You can do the management and pick up and delivery while someone do the washing, the drying, and the ironing. You leave the heavy job for somebody. Then with time, you also delegate it to another person. So you can have your time. This is very profitable. Before you know, you have stuck in your $100,000. Come on, guys. If you find this video very useful and important, kindly subscribe. Let us know the time or where you're watching from so we can guess the country you are. And this channel is for entrepreneurs. So you can see me next time.